Hi guys, today I'd like to talk briefly about tips for understanding complex lectures. Have you ever find yourself in a situation whereby grasping complex lecture was quite challenging? Perhaps because of the following two reasons. First, the lecturer speaks very fast while trying to explain things in class. Secondly, the course content contains a lot of complex ideas. No doubt, these two reasons, among others, can easily result in mental distractions and thus makes it challenging or makes it difficult to grasp complex lectures. In today's video, I'd like to share with you some few tips that would help you in grasping complex lectures while in classrooms. So, to get the best out of every complex lecture, it is vital or important to prepare well in advance. So today, I'd like to share 7 tips that will be of help in achieving that. Number 1, study the course content very well in advance before going into the lecture hall. Number 2, search out for strange or complex words within the syllabus that you know will be of will pose a little bit of challenge to you while in class during the lecture. Number 3, jot down questions that you can easily ask during the lecture. And number 4, you want to ensure that you set intentions on things you like to take home from the lecture. Number 5, make sure you sit in a distraction-free zone area. That is, you want to make sure where you're sitting is free of distraction. And aside that, you want to set your mobile phones or electronic devices into silent mode. Number 6, you as well want to jot down areas of the lectures which you did not understand, maybe when the lecturer when the lecturer is trying to explain some certain things and you seems not to understand it. Don't ignore it, just jot down a few points from those areas so that after the lecture you can seek clarification. Number 7, discuss with your fellow students after the lecture. Perhaps if there is areas you need to fill up in terms of notes or in terms of understanding. And lastly, you need to say thank you. You might have to say thank you to the lecturer after the lecture. So I hope you find this quite beneficial. Thank you.